How to get 9 boxes on TikTok Live. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the simple steps in order to do so. So for that, you may go ahead and open up the TikTok application on your screen. And then once you open it up, what you can do is, you should be finding a For You page, the home interface of TikTok. Now from here in the bottom options, you should be finding friends, a plus icon, inbox and profile option. You need to go ahead and locate up the plus icon from where you usually record a video. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it here, it will show you this interface. Now from the given interface, you may swipe right or left and look for the live option. And once you go ahead and click on live, you should be finding this. Now from here, you can go ahead and start up your live video. You can simply click on go live option. And then once you go ahead and start up your live like this, now what you need to do is, you need to go ahead and invite people so that other people can also join you. So for that, you can go ahead and click on invite. And then once you click on invite here, it will show you go live with guest and different options available. Now right in this pop-up, you can find a settings icon and gear icon. Just go ahead and tap on it, locate it up. And then once you go ahead and locate up the gear icon, here it will show you this option of panel, grid, fixed panel, fixed grid. So you need to select the very last option called fixed grid. The very last option, we have the fourth option. Just go ahead and click on fixed grid. And once you do that, you need to switch it up. So confirm the switch, click on switch. And once you do, you will be getting 9 boxes on your TikTok Live. So you can go ahead and invite other people, or other people can request you to join the invite your TikTok Live, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.